Hello everyone. Right now I am standing beside a beautiful mustard field. These yellow flowers attracts me very much. I feel very connection standing by these yellow flowers. Actually, mustard oil and mustard seeds are both important for our health and our body. We use mustard oil for our skin care and our health care. Every year we get a lot of honey from these flowers. Bees collect honey from these mustard flowers. Every year our farmers works very hard to grow such kinds of mustard plant, mustard seeds. So we should respect our farmers so that they can get more and more energy to produce more and more mustard seeds. Thank you for watching and enjoy the beauty of nature.